Yes, I had a couple of days off. Today is the 2nd of January 2026. Welcome everybody to the new year. And will be episode, I believe, 98 out of 122. Smart money to blockchain freedom. So welcome to all my new subscribers. I always love to go to CoinMarketCap. Here you can actually see the top cryptocurrencies. I love just to come and have a look here. You can bookmark the website coinmarketcap.com and come and have a look. Come and see what's happening in the top 10 coins. It's always good to have a look. I mean, Bitcoin's almost hitting 90,000 again. There's quite a lot of green going on here, which is pretty cool. So it looks like the new year is pretty cool, right? Things are recovering nicely. And it's all about dollar cost averaging, right? I'll give you an example for Bitcoin. If you buy, say, £100 a month for the next 3 to 5 years, called dollar cost averaging, it doesn't matter if the markets go down or go up because you dollar cost averaging. So over the long period, 3 to 5 years, it evens itself out, right? And I mean, if you just looked at the history of Bitcoin, right? And the price when it actually started. So if I go all-time chart for Bitcoin, I mean, if you just went 5 years ago, right? Where would that be? That would be 2021. Look there. Let's see, 2021, 5 years ago. So look there. Price of Bitcoin was $55, 55,000, and now it's 90. But if I go a bit further back, look if I go to 2020, so that's 6 years ago, 15,000. So you see the power of buying a little bit over a long period of time and having the discipline on doing that dollar cost averaging. Super powerful for any stock or share or crypto. And I mean, you can look at the top 10, right? And then I've got one coin that I am promoting. We'll go and have a look. It's called Apertum, right? APTM. And this is quite exciting because, I mean, we have a ranking of 378 out of 8,889 cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap. So I would dollar cost average into this coin, and I'm going to show you how you can use AI trading bots that buy low, sell high on automatic for you. And all it's doing, when it goes down, it's buying. When it goes up, it's selling and accumulating more of these Apertum coins. Yes, put it in your high-risk portfolio. Don't invest money that you cannot afford to lose. But the signs are very, very strong for this project. And why am I saying that? Well, we have already got, as I mentioned, 378. We got an awesome community sentiment of 82%. And we've got a max supply, which is always good to have a max supply, right? Because it can't just infinite like money. And it's got 2.1 billion. Plus we've got a burning model where we're actually reducing the coins every day. And it's also got a halving model similar to Bitcoin. And if you go down and you want to really go dig into the information, you can see here we've just won a couple of awards. We've been audited by CertiK, complete security audit, no wrong findings. It's a sovereign chain, decentralized, meaning that it's owned by us, the community, right? And it's all driven by code and smart contracts. And you can have a good read down here. Apertum is the leading general one-layer blockchain in the Avalanche ecosystem built to deliver high performance, scalability, and long-term sustainability. And super important, is fully EVM compatible, enabling developers to easily deploy smart contracts and scale decentralized applications and dApps without additional coding. Now that is super powerful, especially now for 2026, for developers to come and develop on our chain, super fast, super cheap, and it's super transparent. Okay, that's what you want. And I mean, we only launched, imagine, we only launched in February, so we're 10 months old as a project. And we've surpassed now over 60,000 active members. So supply and demand. More and more people will want to come and develop on our chain. more and more people will use the Apertum blockchain. And what's that going to do? Supply and demand, right? More and more people use it, more and more people are going to use the coin, less coins, potential for the price to go up. So all I can say is in the description below on this video, I'm going to leave a little link where you can watch a 5-minute video. And then it will also give you instructions how you can actually create an account called DAO1, which is our dApp sitting on the Apertum blockchain. So let's go head over there. So this is the DAO1, which stands for Decentralized Autonomous Organization. Decentralized, the key word, and autonomous, right? It is connected by a wallet. I use MetaMask wallet that connects to the DAO1 platform. And it's decentralized. It's simply run by code, right? Smart contracts. Everything here is run by code and everything is transparent. Now, these products are unbelievable. If you want a dollar cost average into this coin, accumulate as many of these coins as possible, where is this price of this kind of coin going to be in 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years? Especially if we've got a blockchain that's super fast, super transparent, and cheap to develop on. I tell you, the future is bright for Apertum and APTM. And I'm going to show you how you can get these coins on automatic. So you head over to the store, just register an account, it's free, follow the links in the description, and the products start at $200, you've got 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, and you can pick which is good for you, and it goes all the way up to 70,000. So let's go and have a look at the $1,000 product, because it's super easy to explain. You just click on view details, and you get 2 products. The first one I mentioned is an AI trading bot. It's a smart trader. And all it's doing is buying low, selling high, accumulating more and more of these Apertum coins. And that's what you want to do, right? So that's the first product. The second product is super cool that you can actually use the coins that you're accumulating from your smart trader to put in a wallet and hold them. You can hold them for 4 years. But then have a look at the reward, potential reward there. Okay, you do get rewarded in BitX Live tokens. As you can see, they're 1.8 million over the 4-year period. And you do get paid every 90 days, right? So it's not like you have to wait 4 years to get your rewards. If you don't want to do the 4 years, you can do the 3 years. But then you can see it, the value, your rewards decrease, right? Or you can do 2 years, or you can do 1 year. I've done 4 years because I like the numbers. Okay. And these 2 products, here you've got a summary of the total estimation. And you're not limited to buy 1. You can buy 2, you can buy 3, and now you can see the rewards, right? So reach back to me if you need any help. But I can tell you now, this DeFi, decentralized finance, people aren't familiar with these terms, but I can say get yourself an account, test one of these products, grab the products, dollar cost average in getting the Apertum coin. As I said, where's it going to be in 3 to 5 years? And get trading, accumulate, and then hold. Imagine you hold these coins for 4 years. Where will this price of this coin be in 4 years? You know the story of Bitcoin, right? So all I can say is, get yourself an account, be a lion, go for it. Don't be scared and test it, because decentralized finance is you are in control. You're in control of your wallet. You don't have to ask permission. And that's what you want to do, is give the power back to the people. Catch you later. I'll see you tomorrow, and bye-bye.